It does. I had a great story from my pump guru when I was learning pumps. He said he went onto a refinery one day because the pump was running hot, the bearings were running hot, and he went and he had a look and he looked at the oil level and he was chatting away with the maintenance engineers, and he got his wrench out and he opened up the drain connection and stood there chatting away to the guys while oil was pouring down into the drip pan. And when it was empty, and they were all panicking. He couldn't understand what he was doing. And when it was empty, he sort of put the screw back in and said, "There you go, you're fine now." And sure enough, the temperature had come down. He said, "When you get a moment, refill it to its proper level, and you won't have any more problems. Too much oil will cause drag, viscous drag."